Oh, guys, look at the extreme weather. Look at the rain coming down on us. Woo! We need more jackets, guys. Look at this beauty. Join me, Ryan. I don't. The water is hot. Oh yeah, that's hot. It's hot water. Not that cool. Not cool. Not that cool. Nah. Not at all. Touch it. Yeah, told ya. Look here, look here.
The wind is so strong. I threw water up there. It started flying.
Yeah, let's go, let's go. Look, Bhaiya is already up there. Aayan, you don't want to go those rocks? Beautiful rock pool. Alright guys, time to go back. You okay, Ryan? Oh, that's freshwater. It's a freshwater beach, guys. Where's Bhaiya? Oh, that looks like a cool place. वो देखो है, हाँ वो देखो वो बेबी उसी रॉक में